Welcome back to the channel where you better understand supply chain management and operations. Today we're learning about project-based layouts. In a manufacturing environment, a project-based layout, also known as a project layout or a fixed position layout, is organized around specific projects or products that are typically large, complex, and stationary. This setup is commonly used when the items being produced are too bulky, large, or heavy to move from one workstation to another. Think of it like assembling a ship in a dry dock or building a large aircraft, where the product remains in a fixed location and the workers, tools, and materials come to the site of the product. This layout involves organizing resources around the product, which stays in a single place. All of the necessary materials, equipment, and labor are brought directly to the product's location. It's like bringing the mountain to Mohammed rather than the other way around. The major advantage here is that it minimizes the movement of the product itself, which can be critical for heavy or complex assemblies. However, this layout can also lead to some inefficiencies. Since space and resources must be allocated for the duration of the project, it can lead to underutilized resources when not all are needed at all times. It also requires significant planning and coordination to ensure that all the necessary resources are available at the right stage of production without causing any delays or bottlenecks.